What if I told you there's a reason your body hasn't been responding, even though you've been doing everything right? You walk every morning. You stay active. You try to eat healthy. Yet, lifting yourself from the sofa feels harder than it used to. Climbing stairs leaves you breathless. And deep down, you know, something's missing. Here's the truth. After 60, your body needs a different kind of message to stay strong. Movement alone isn't enough. Not even 10,000 steps a day. But this isn't bad news, it's powerful news. Because once you understand the right signals to send your body, you can start rebuilding strength at any age. No gym. No equipment. Just 2 simple movements that remind your body. It's time to rebuild. And by the end of this video, you'll not only feel more confident in your movements. You'll understand how to unlock energy, posture, and balance you thought were gone. So let's begin. This is Senior Wellness and Health, and today, we're bringing you back to your strongest self. Exercise 1, the push that reawakens your upper body. As we age, we quietly lose one of the most important kinds of strength, pushing power. It's the force behind opening a jar, pushing a door, or lifting yourself from a chair. You don't notice it fading, until one day, you do. But one simple wall movement can bring it back. Let's call it the wall press. Here's how it works. Stand about an arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms flat at shoulder height, fingers pointing up. Keep your body straight, head to heels, and gently tighten your core. Now, bend your elbows slowly, bringing your chest toward the wall. Pause when your nose is just a few inches away, then push back to your starting position. That's 1 rep. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. Rest for 1 minute. Do 2 to 3 sets, 3 times a week. If it feels too easy, take a small step backward. Too hard? Move closer. Here's why it matters. Each press triggers tiny sensors in your muscle fibers. Telling your body, I need to rebuild. That's the power of mechanical signaling. Your muscles literally hear the pressure and respond by growing stronger. And while walking mainly works your legs, this wall press activates over 60% of your upper body. Your chest, shoulders, arms, and core. It's low impact, joint friendly, and powerful enough to improve your posture and breathing. When you press and release, your chest opens, your spine aligns, and your lungs expand more deeply. Over time, you'll notice better balance, smoother coordination, and yes, that confident feeling when you can push open a door or lift something with ease again. Exercise 2, the movement that protects your independence. There's one movement that quietly decides how long you'll stay independent. And most people don't even think about it. It's not about how fast you walk. It's about how easily you can rise. This second movement is called the chair stand. It may not look fancy, but it's the key to keeping your freedom. The ability to sit, stand, and move without help. Here's how you do it. Find a sturdy chair. Stand in front of it, feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Extend your arms forward for balance. Now, lower yourself slowly, hips back first, as if you're about to sit. Let your body touch the chair lightly, then push through your heels and rise again. That's 1 rep. Do 8 to 10 reps, 2 to 3 sets, at least 3 to 4 times a week. This movement trains your entire lower chain, your glutes, thighs, and calves. It retrains your body's natural rhythm of sitting and standing. A pattern many people lose after 60. And here's the secret. Because it uses your largest muscles, your brain releases natural growth and recovery hormones. Your body's own internal rebuilders. Stronger legs mean more than strength. They mean balance, stability, and confidence. They mean getting up without struggle. They mean saying, I can still do this on my own. I once heard from a viewer named Elaine, age 69, who said, after a month of doing the chair stand, I can finally get up from the couch without using my hands. That's what we call real strength, the kind that brings back freedom. Here's the most important thing to remember. You don't need to train harder, you just need to train smarter. Do these movements 2 to 3 times a week. Stay consistent. Eat enough protein, stay hydrated, and rest. That's when your body rebuilds. You're not competing with anyone. Not your younger self, not your neighbor, only yesterday's version of you. Every movement you make sends your body one message. I still care. And your body always listens. True strength after 60 doesn't shout. It shows up, when you rise from a chair with ease, when you walk taller, when you feel steady again. You didn't come here for entertainment. You came because you still believe your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting to be rebuilt. These 2 simple exercises are more than movements. They're proof that your body still responds, it just needs the right signal. So don't wait for the perfect day. Start today. Take a step toward strength, balance, and independence. And if this message inspired you, drop a comment below. Tell me your name, your city, or simply write. I'm starting today. Because at Senior Wellness and Health, we believe every movement matters. And so do you.